Ever wondered how ChatGPT understands your questions? They adjust internal settings called parameters, think of them as neural connections, to get better at predicting text. The large NLM means billions of these parameters, making them incredibly powerful and sophisticated. LLMs appear intelligent because they've learned intricate patterns across vast text. They understand context, nuance, and relationships between concepts. But here's the secret, they're still just predicting probabilities. When you ask a question, it's calculating the most likely next word, then the next, building responses step by step. This pattern matching ability lets them write essays, code, and answer complex questions convincingly. Today, LLMs power ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, and countless apps you use daily. They help write emails, debug code, brainstorm ideas. As they improve, they're becoming more useful across industries, education, healthcare, customer service, and creative work. Understanding LLMs helps you use them better and stay informed about A's role in your future. Drop a like if this made sense, and subscribe for more A concepts broken down simply. Comment below, what do you want to know about A next?